Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Triumph Scrambler. This retro design Triumph two-tone paint comes equipped with some really cool upgrades. It's got the fork gaiters, engine guard, rock guard, a really awesome sounding Zard exhaust, key and CR special carburetors. It's got a custom seat, tachometer, beautiful condition. Come on by, make your Triumph Scrambler dreams come true with this 865cc parallel twin 5-speed transmission, only $49.99. It's also got that really cool screen on the front headlamp. Come on by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.